Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to another YouTube video. Roberto here, and this time I'm going to tell you my reaction on two CX newly built A330s, which are the older ones that permanently left the fleet and was delivered back in 1995. And these two A330-300s that retired was B-HLF and B-HLH. B-HLF was withdrawn from use on 21st of August 2020 on Ninoy Aquino Day here in the Philippines, just after her last flight from Manila to Hong Kong as CX-906. B-HLH has also the same last commercial flight too, CX-906 Manila to Hong Kong, on 4 days later, after B-HLF retired on 21st August 2020 and HLH retired on 25th of August 2020. There are rumors saying that it will be scrapped there and in Heathrow, and she will permanently not come back to the Cathay Pacific fleet. My reaction is that I'm really sad and disappointed about these two CX-A330s that permanently left the fleet on Flight Radar 24, and plane spotters did not say that she retired. Both of them retired. And first was BHLD, where she retired on 30th of May 2020 after her last flight from Shanghai to Hong Kong. And I'm really sad because HLD left the fleet at first, the oldest A330 in the fleet, and she was this Arena Aviation Capital, and her flight number was CX 369 from Shanghai Pudong to Hong Kong. And then she flew to Marana via Anchorage, Alaska. The next was B-HLF and B-HLH. They both retired at the same time. Unexpectedly, they surprisingly retired from the CX fleet. And recently, I saw B-HLH flying to London Heathrow as a retirement flight. CX, what is the flight number from London to from Hong Kong to London via Dubai World Central? I'm checking. Wait, guys. I will know the flight number. Wait, still loading. Apologize for my slow internet connection, guys. Let's just wait. CX something, 2000 something. I'm just waiting. CX 2239 from Hong Kong to London via Dubai World Central. Then BHLF, her retirement flight is CX 2257 from Hong Kong to Dubai World Central to London. I hope she'll be flying to London ASAP, and Big Jet TV Live will film her because I saw it earlier that Big Jet TV Live filmed B-HLH in action and landing in London Heathrow Airport. So that's it, guys. And you viewers, what will be your reaction regarding B-HLF and B-HLH retiring permanently from the CX fleet? Leave it in your comments down below. And thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell button for more upcoming videos. Bye guys, stay safe, and see you later.